Hey guys, how's it going? That one Andrew here, and we're back with a new video. Now, I've decided that I haven't uploaded on this channel at all. This channel, it's my only channel. But now that summer's here and I have a lot more free time, I'm going to start making some more videos. And that's not necessarily limited to gameplay videos, or I know I tried some of those laughing videos and I did some more creative stuff, and I might go back into that. But going back to my heritage, which is unboxing videos, I have lots of things that I still have unboxed but haven't made a video for, so I'm going to try to catch up on a lot of that stuff. But for today's video, as you can tell by the title, I'm going to be unboxing Detroit Become Human. Now, this is the new Quantic Dream game that I've already completed. I think I beat the game 3 or 4 times, got the platinum in it. I really enjoyed it, and I liked it so much that I was like, I wonder if there's a collector's edition for this. Looked it up, and there's a special edition, which kind of like collector's edition, that came out only in Japan, and this is it right here. It took about 3 weeks to get shipped here, but I figured we were going to open it up and compare it to the one that I got from America, which we only got this version, which is just standard game, got the back, all that stuff, came with the game disc in it. And I also think there's a deluxe version of this that came out in America also, which came with the soundtrack. But thankfully, this limited edition, or collector's edition, special edition, whatever, comes with that soundtrack too. Anyways, so we're gonna open it up, and first thing we get is this. It says hello. And don't worry, that code is already used, so don't even try, but this is the Detroit Become Human original digital soundtrack and the theme for PlayStation. Now, the music in this game I love, personally. It's very, I don't know, cyberpunky kind of, and it's got a lot of synthetic sounds to it, so I'm a big fan. Here is a sticker sheet, which I will never, ever understand why games, so many limited edition games come with these sticker sheets, and yeah, some of them are cool, like you got the CyberLife logo there, and I guess it's just advertising for CyberLife, but you know, as a collector, I'm not going to ever use those, so it's kind of a waste of space. Alright, next is the game, and already it has this protective sleeve around it, which I really do enjoy and like, and you can see the Detroit Become Human logo lines up with that. And comparing it to the American version, I also enjoy this cover a lot better. As you can see here, we have all they have on the American version is half of Marcus's face, which is kind of the quote-unquote main character. But on here, we have Kara, which is her, we have Alice, we have Marcus, and we have Connor. And it really shows all, I like how they show all 3 of the main characters instead of just one. And I know at the end of the game, they have this survey type thing, and you kind of choose who's your favorite character. And a lot of people, like 90% of people, picked Marcus. Personally, I liked Connor and Kara's story much better than Marcus, but again, that's just personal. That's just me personally. But I think this cover is a lot better. And I believe the back is pretty similar. I can't read Japanese, so someone's gonna tell me what this means. But you got the flowchart right here. There's Marcus right there, and that's when he's doing the revolution. And then on the far left, that's Kara, and it shows you can make choices and stuff, which is the whole game. Anyways, I personally like the Japanese cover a lot better, but you know, don't judge a book by its cover. Whatever. And lastly, what we got in here is the Essential Detroit Become Human art book. And again, this is all in Japanese because this is a Japanese edition, so I don't understand any of this, obviously. But I'm just seeing some of the concept art in here. Like, that's Kara and Alice in their original designs. It's really cool to see how a lot of these things evolved. They got a whole set piece on David Cage, the writer and director. I think he's a writer and director, but he's the main producer, I think, of most Quantic Dream games. So go through that off. We skip ahead. Again, they got some more concept stuff. This is talking about the what is it called? It's Kara's story, whatever. The little short that came out. Gosh, what was it? 7 years ago? 6 years ago? It was around the time that Quantic Dream came out. So it's kind of the thing that kind of kicked off all of Detroit Become Human. And here's more about. There's the mocap. They did tons of mocap. I've seen a lot of behind the scenes videos about the mocap that they did. I think they filmed for almost an entire year on this, which is just insane. But there you go, more concept art. And again, this game is very beautiful, and it's nice to see how all of it was designed. And you got the city design here. What would Detroit look like in, what is it, 2035, 40, 57? I don't know. I can't remember. But anyways, yeah, you got the city skyline of Detroit and stuff. Looks good. And then this is just a box. That's what they all sit in. I kind of like the design of how it slides in there, but it's still kind of sticking out. I think it looks good. Anyways, that is Detroit Become Human, the limited collector's edition. Again, I'm using this video kind of as a jump start to maybe get myself back into doing this stuff. I've been doing it for years, but you know, I'm known for taking these long hiatuses just because doing this one-handed is not easy either. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed. I highly recommend this game. It's one of my favorites. There's not much action. It is a quick time event galore. So if you do not like QTEs, I do not recommend this game at all. But it has one of the best video game stories I can think of. Most video games, well, at least before they didn't have good stories. I guess it's a different time and age, but I think the story in this is pretty solid. I'd give the story an 8 out of 10. And I'd give the game a 9 out of 10. But that's coming from me. I'm really into the Android type stuff, and I'm really into the Quantic Dream games. I loved Heavy Rain and, oh gosh, what was the other one? Beyond Two Souls. So, you know, if it's not your game, then you're not going to like it. But if you do like these games, I think you'll really love it. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to stay tuned for more videos. I'll probably film some more tonight just because whenever I get into these moods, that's what I do. I just film a lot of them. So be on the lookout for more videos. And yeah, I recommend Detroit Become Human exclusively for PlayStation 4. Anyways, take care, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.